Hola, soy Kavita, mucho gusto. Welcome to my channel Mapa Herbal Talks. Let's talk about Indian ancient life science and ancient remedies. Today we talk about Shata Chakra. Shata Chakra refers to a system of 6 primary energy centers in a subtle body, crucial for physical, mental and spiritual well-being. In traditions like Ayurveda and Yoga, while there are 6 main chakras, Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Vishuddha and Ajna. Seventh chakra, Sahasradhara, is often included, making it 7 in total. These energy centers are thought to be connected to the nervous system and endocrine glands, influencing everything from emotions to immunity. A system of energy centers located along the spine or central nervous system considered conduits for prana or life force energy which flows through pathways called nadis associated with specific physical glands and organs as well as psychological states. Now let's see the location of chakra and relation with modern science. First, Muladhara chakra located at the base of spine, that is anal region. There is a pelvic plexus and adrenal glands. Second is Swadhisthana located at sacral region, that is genital area. This is the place of gonads, that is ovaries and testes and reproductive system. Third is Manipur chakra, navel solar plexus area, that is pancreas, adrenal glands, solar plexus nerve concentration. Fourth is Anahat chakra, heart region on the spine, thymus gland, cardiac plexus. Fifth is Vishuddha, throat region, root of the neck, thyroid and pituitary glands. Sixth is Ajna chakra, between the eyebrows, the third eye, pineal and pituitary gland. The seventh chakra is Sahasradhara. It is often considered beyond the sixth chakra. Best is the final culmination point in yogic philosophy. Sahasradhara, crown of the head, it is associated with pituitary gland, higher brain functions. Root chakra, Muladhara, located near adrenal gland, governs feeling of security, grounding the physical energy, secretes corticosteroids and adrenal and cortisol involved in body stress response. Swadhisthana chakra at sacral chakra, associated with gonads, ovaries, testes, linked to creativity, sexuality and emotion. The gonads produce sex hormones that regulate development and reproductive functions. Solar plexus, Manipura chakra. This is associated with pancreas. It connects to personal power and self-esteem. The pancreas regulates metabolism through insulin production. Anahat chakra, heart chakra. It is associated with thymus gland. It is linked with love, compassion and balance. Thymus gland plays an important role in immune system. Vishuddha chakra or thyroid and parathyroid gland, it is tied to self-expression and communication. The thyroid regulates metabolism and growth. Ajna chakra, the third eye chakra. Pituitary gland, it is related to intuition and perception. The pituitary gland controls many other endocrine glands. Crown chakra, Sahasradhara, associated with pineal gland, it is considered the center of spiritual connection and enlightenment. The pineal gland produces melatonin to regulate sleep cycle. Thank you. Hasta pronto por ver esta video. Bye.